Hi everyone and welcome to this vlog of Split. And if you're wondering why my halat is like this, because I just took a 90 minutes boat ride from Split to now we are going to the Blue Lagoons, but it was amazing. It was a little less bumpy than I expected, probably because we are in a bigger boat, but nevertheless it was super windy. All our hair was all over the place, but it was amazing. And here's how it went.
Good today, so no waves, no wind. This will be our extra location for today because it's a little bit busy now on the Blue Cave, so we'll rather wait over.
So now we have stopped at the island of Wish. They have given us a 1 hour break here to just go and enjoy some coffee, which we really need. And after that we will be going to Blue Caves. They stopped here because जायचं आहे मला पण पाण्यात जायचं. After that we'll be going into Blue Caves, but it is quite busy at the moment there, so that is why they gave us like this 1 hour break until it becomes a bit easier there. So now we are exploring the island of Wish. Apparently this island was very important during the time of Second World War. It was basically a military base, but now it is a fisherman's island and there are more boats here than people. How interesting is that? But it is really cute. I'm just going around just to see the feel of the town. Actually, we had only 1 hour here and we wasted most of it just drinking coffee and sitting at one place. So I'm just trying to make do of whatever 5 minutes I have left. I have like 2 minutes left to make it to my boat, and after that we will be headed towards Blue Caves. And as I said, I'm very happy today that the weather is nice, so we can actually do it, because apparently if the weather is not nice they can even cancel it on the day, and you need to be okay with it. But today it's not. Very happy about it. But now I have to run. We have reached the Blue Caves. We are now just waiting because our skipper has gone to get the tickets. Apparently this big boat, which we came in, cannot enter the caves. It is very small. We have to take another ferry to get in. I'm very excited. We are going to go with that boat. While we wait for that, I just wanted to show you how crystal clear these waters are. So beautiful. Such nice turquoise color water. I've never seen this in my life. You won't believe how small the entrance is from which this boat is going to pass. That's the entrance and we are going through that entrance. Oh.
gondola.
Okay, that's nice. Ooh.
It's a white sand. White sand is important for this cave because it's so shiny and then it's reflecting the rock here on the left.
Yeah.
It's hanging, you can see, no touching points at the bottom. And it's possible to dive under this rock 12 meters diagonal to the tunnel where we entered. It's a huge park of that side. It's hanging around 60 square meters.
That was the entrance. I've captured the blue caves, but I don't know how much my camera has done justice to how actually beautiful it is. And we were very lucky because it was closed for the last 4 days, and again for next 2 days it's going to be closed. But we got to experience this amazing. Apparently these caves are closed usually because we have come in pre-season, and they charge to get into these caves during the season time. But since
They call it the green
it's
cave
pre-season,
because you have this hole up there, so
So we just crossed Blue Lagoon and now we are at Hawar Island. I wanted to swim so badly in the Blue Lagoon, but I cannot swim and the water was too deep. So I'm planning to do that here, at least in Hawar. But there is only one beach here and we are starving because it's already 3 PM. So now the plan is just to go and get some lunch and then go and visit the beach. And there are quite a few spots also to visit here, like a fortress and like a main square. Let's see if we are able to cover that also. The main, actually Hawar has a fort which is like right there, you can see, and then that is the main center there. But for me today's priority is to go inside the water. I could not do that at Blue Lagoon, but I'm definitely going to do here. Hawar, it has a beach which is really nearby to where our boat has been parked. You can see just near the coast also the water is so fresh. I wait to get inside that. I'm going inside. Just lost my chappal. Can you see how clear the water is? I can see the pebbles down there. It's so nice. I finally get in the water, but it is definitely a bit chillier than I expected. But I think after I'm inside for like 4-5 minutes, it will be okay. Even if it is not, I'm going to spend the next half an hour here for sure. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a starfish right here. How amazing is this?
Hey. Hey.
oh.
I cannot tell you how refreshing it was to go in these clear waters. For like almost half an hour I went swimming and I was not so confident because I don't know how to swim. I just know the basic, but the water was good enough for a basic swimmer like me, and I'm so glad that I did it because now I have a beautiful memory of swimming in the Adriatic Sea in Hvar Island. But that is all I think for the adventures for today. Now we will be taking the speedboat back home, and I think I'm going to just sleep in that speedboat because it was so tiring, the swimming, but also fun at the same time. I hope you like this vlog. You can see my voice is already changing, but nevertheless I will say you goodbye from beautiful Hvar Island.